Thank you for buying this 15260 cable from Fixture Displays. This is the external power source cable that is used to connect the power source to the locker. The DC connection on the bigger end is a 5.5 millimeter by 2.1 millimeters. I'm going to have a close-up look right here. And that measures up to our power source. The housing number is 13159. On the other end is a connector that goes into the locker control panel. I'm going to show you in the locker as well shortly. For more detailed instruction on how the external power source opens up the locker, please refer to video for 15260 locker. You can look it up by searching 15260 cell phone locker on YouTube. Again, the housing is 13159. Batteries are not included. Now, once this is powered, we're going to connect this to the locker 15260 motherboard. The connection is to the right hand of the switches on the top position. It's a little hard to see. And those switches need to be flipped up. Again, a more detailed video, please search 15260 cell phone locker on YouTube. So to use the external power source, you need to purchase this cable along with 13159 housing and batteries. We're going to power it up. Now it is starting to have electricity. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like us, subscribe. Remember, leave good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.